Hey everyone, welcome to the July Specialized High School Parent-Teacher Conference hosted here at Conservatorial. This will be a really short video letting you know how to improve from Diag E to the next diagnostic that we have coming up this summer. So, first of all, in June, a few weeks ago, we had Diagnostic E. For those of you new to the program, since September, our students have been learning 6 weeks at a time, 8 weeks at a time. We've completed Diagnostic A. We've completed Diagnostic B. We've completed Diagnostic C and D and now E. Keep in mind that July we're having boot camps continue, workshops continue, all the way to Diagnostic F in August. So you'll see the Diagnostic F will be in August, Saturday, August 6th and Sunday, August 7th. That's when Diagnostic F will take place. It's up to you to really work hard between now and Diagnostic F on August 6th and 7th. So let's take a look at how all of our students at Cons did in Diagnostic E. We've broken it down into first quartile, second quartile, third, and fourth. So the top quarter of all students at Conservatorial are already at an offer range. They're above a 68, and I have all the top scores here. So I have 100, congratulations Murcott S. 93, congratulations Richie M. 90, congratulations Kevin J. 87, congratulations Sarah A. So when we call their parents and their moms and dads who are so proud of Murcott, Richie, Kevin, Sarah, Armand, Nabia, all of our top students so far. The mothers have been really excited to know that their hard work has paid off so far. All of you are not only on your way to a top 3 offer, but keep it up, keep moving forward, take workshops if you need. Our big focus will be those in quarter 2, 3, and 4. Quarter 2, you're almost there. You're at a 56 to a 67. That's a bulk of our scores here at Cons. And we're going to use this summer and this video to find out how you can improve. Quartile 3 and quartile 4, it's possible that you started late in the spring. It's also possible that you are not putting enough work in at home. So for all parents watching this, please log into your child's GradeCam account, go to the scores section and look through how to sign in through your child, and you can find out how they did. So if your score is between a 75 to 100, congratulations, you're already at a score range for Brooklyn Tech. That's not where we're stopping. We still have Diagnostic F on August 6th, on the first week of August. We still have Diagnostic G in September. We may even reach up to Diagnostic H and maybe a whole comprehensive diagnostic review all the way at the end. So we want to make sure all of you who are above a 75 are getting those top scores above 600 and getting into Stuyvesant and Bronx Science and Brooklyn Tech with really high scores for the honors programs that will be available to you there. Next up, we have those in 65 to 75. You still need to practice every single day to get into that score range for the cutoffs of Brooklyn Latin, Brooklyn Tech, Bronx Science, and Stuyvesant. If you want to get into Stuyvesant, you'll need an 88 to a 92 on 3 Cons diagnostics. If you're looking to go towards Bronx Science, you'll need 3 scores of 82 to 85. If you're looking to get into Brooklyn Tech, you'll need 3 scores of 75 to 78. If you're looking to get into Brooklyn Latin School, you'll need 3 scores of 70 to 73. If you're looking into getting into the other new specialized high schools, such as Manhattan Science, Manhattan Center for Math and Science, High School of Engineering, American Studies at Lehman College, York Science in Queens, or Staten Island Tech, you'll still need those 78 to 82. The cutoffs start around 70 to 73, and with each diagnostic at Cons, you'll keep moving up. You will work your way into a top 3 specialized high school offer. Let's continue to see how. Tips for students at home. Right now, it's the summertime. We want you all waking up at 9 o'clock, even between 9 and 10 o'clock, shower, eat your breakfast, get 30 minutes of your favorite activity done, whether it's watching your iPad, playing a little video games. From 11 o'clock, you have to be starting your Cons bootcamp work or your Cons bonus worksheet. Right now at Cons, we have dozens and dozens of students, both in person at our center in Jackson Heights and online, taking boot camps. So that's from 11 to 2. From 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock, take a lunch break. You need to refuel. And then from 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock, 1 more hour of practicing SHSAT. That means we're already at the 4-hour mark. And then from 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock, for 2 hours, go outside and play. Play some basketball, play some volleyball, watch a little bit of TV. Use this time to reset, relax, and really get ready, because when you come back, again, you're going to be continuing your SHSAT practice to make sure you get those diagnostic jumps. So after 8 o'clock, make sure to sit down, have an early dinner with your family, and by the last hour, if you want to do a little bit of daily review, go to bed by 10 p.m. Too often in the summer, students are making the mistake of going to sleep way too late at 12 a.m. or midnight and waking up at 11 or 12 p.m. or 1 p.m. in the afternoon and wasting the whole day. That's not happening to any of you here at Cons, so please be sure to use this practice schedule to get at least 4 to 6 hours of daily practice, and that's how we have these scores in the hundreds, 93s, 90s, 87s, and 86s. That's going to be you next. So if your score is below a 65, absolutely call us about bootcamp classes. It's on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays for 3 hours. We're going to be going over a lot of the diagnostics. Diagnostic A we'll be going over in the end of July. This next week. Diagnostic B we'll be going over end of July. Diagnostic C we'll be reviewing and retaking it in August first week. Diagnostic D will be ready for you all to take in boot camp in the middle of August. So again, Diagnostic A, B, C, D. Breaking news, we're going to have Diagnostics A, B, C, and D for boot camp students this summer at Cons. So if you're below 65, those early diagnostics are meant to get you to that level to get a specialized high school offer. Now let's go to the students who have above a 60 or 65. That means you're already knocking at the door of Brooklyn Tech, knocking at the door of Bronx Science. Take one of our options, whether it's in person or digitally, and either way, if you have above a 60 or 65, you will have a chance to really use the workshops to get a top score. And a lot of our students here who have the 100, 94, 91, 88, 86, 86, 84, 83 at Cons, these are all students that have been taking workshops since early January. So if you're not taking workshops yet, don't make that mistake. Use that time to get the most advanced material the Cons tutorial has to offer to get your scores into that range for a specialized high school offer. So more regularly, whenever you have class, if you're in person here at Jackson Heights, show up early, sit in front of the class, raise your hand, annotate, annotate. Summarize every single paragraph, show all your work. That's one huge benefit of being here in person. We're able to visually take a look at how strongly you're annotating and summarizing and how well you're showing your work for the math section. If you're taking this digitally, have your cameras on. Always raise your hand in the classroom. Use the chat functions to engage the teacher. Always have your cameras on, because if you have your cameras off as a student, we don't have an idea of how you're doing, whether you're keeping up. So we've seen that those who have their cameras on the student side, the teacher can see how well you're engaged. And a lot of my students here who have the top scores, they're all on digital. So Murcott, Richie, Kevin, Sarah, Armand, a lot of you are on digital and excelling. Fantastic work, keep it up. All right, we all know about the SHSAT handbooks. Find it on Google. It's a big part of our summer bonus worksheet. It's all free for you at home. Please Google the SHSAT New York City handbooks, download them, practice them. If you're able to take a handbook test and get above a 90 on that without anyone helping you or looking at the answer key, you should be on your way to a New York City high school, a specialized high school, so please use the SHSAT handbooks. As you all know, we have a fantastic recommended book list, so please use that to continue your practice. And most importantly, the summer bonus worksheet. Congratulations to all the students that use the summer bonus worksheet to improve those scores, to get that extra credit for your next diagnostic. So if you had a 72 and you did 3 of those weeks, you're already at a 78. That means it's an offer towards Bronx Science. So even just practicing the summer bonus worksheet can mean the difference between Bronx Science and Stuyvesant. It can mean the difference between Brooklyn Tech and Bronx Science. Or it can mean the difference between a specialized high school offer or no offers to specialized high school. So do not sleep on the bonus worksheet. Absolutely take full advantage, and it's all for free. Keep using that to your advantage. All right, so I just want to thank all of you for watching so far. As you know, digitally last year, we had 145 students get into the specialized high schools from Cons. If you look at all the tutoring centers in the community, we had another known tutoring center that did not report their specialized high school offers. We have another tutoring center that had 37, another had 45, another had 20. Congratulations to all of the students from our community, entire community, and a special kudos to the 145 kids from Cons tutorial. As you can see, we're still #1 in the community for 28 years. We'll always appreciate your trust in our program, and through that, your child will get an offer as long as they put that hard work in. Let's just all remember that success is a sum of small efforts repeated. It is summertime, it is July. Use this time. Do not waste it watching video games, playing too much excessive YouTube, being outside too much, going on too many vacations. Use the time to buckle down, get ready, keep practicing those 4 to 6 hours daily, and we'll see you next time when you have those amazing jumps for Diagnostic F. Good luck, and thank you so much.